Check. Doon muna sa dalawang leads natin, kay Hart at saka kay Zeki. Kanina natatakal yung pressure. Kasi parang kasi kayo ang pinaka-center center characters of this series. So how does it feel now? At saka may pressure ba sa inyong dalawa?
Until now po, there's still a lot of pressure, but I'm thankful for the pressure because it's what pushes us po. Yeah, there's still pressure, definitely, but I'm thankful for it.
Same po.
Thank you.
Si Hart.
Of course, I still feel pressure until today. I feel pressure now even. Just like what Zeke said po, we're thankful for the pressure because it pushes us to do well.
Follow up lang sa inyong dalawa. Kasi kung pagbabasehan yung mga previews sa Vivo One series, yung mga ginagawang love teams, nagiging sila. Or nagkakaroon ng special, what you might call that, friendship sa kanilang pagitan. In your case, sa inyong dalawa, ano ang nakikita niyo sa isa't isa?
Definitely not po. Hart here has a boyfriend.
Oh, ang binuking naman.
His name is Renny J. She has a partner, and I 100% respect that po. Pero we're cool. We're friends.
How about you? How about you, Zeki? Are you taken?
I'm single po. I'm single.
Okay.
I choose to focus on work.
Alright. Thanks for being honest. Zeki muna, yung writer muna. Ano ang naging inspirasyon mo para mabuo mo itong Hell University?
Yung inspiration ko talaga dito yung napanood ko na The Purge movie. Actually, pinanood po namin yun sa school.
Kay Zach, kay Andre, and of course si Gabby. Gabby, I'm so happy for you. Nakita kong nanay mo, tinagurian mong stage mom. Siyempre, natakol na nga dito because you are, yung mga parents niyo are of course popular personalities before you. So, natanong din kayo about the pressure. Ang itatanong ko lang sa inyong tatlo, sinong nag-encourage you? Or kayo ba ito on your own free will na pumasok din sa, or sundan ang footsteps ng parents niyo?
I think it's collaboration po. Because I didn't make this decision on my own. I had my parents to guide me because they were the ones there first. I will always listen to their advice naman po, and I trust them that this would be the right opportunity for me po. Yeah.
Ganda ni Gabby. And of course, Andre!
Hello po, tita.
It's nice to see you again.
Nice to see you po. I guess ano po, gusto mo mauna? So, una ka na, pre? Jack po.
Jack, your dad is may anak-anakan. I co-manage him with Viva.
Oh, really?
Okay, and of course, good luck to you. You're being managed by OGDS, di ba?
Yes po, yes.
Oh, yes. Okay, good luck to you. So, anong sagot mo?
Sa akin po, actually nung bata po ako, hindi naman po talaga ako gusto mag-artista kasi I was focused on basketball. Pero may mga times po kasi na sinasama kami ni Daddy sa taping, sa Pangako Sa'yo, nakikita ko po yung mga ginagawa nila. Tapos bigla lang may nag-click po sa akin na parang gusto kong matry. Gusto ko po, parang interesado po akong gawin siya. And thankful naman po ako kasi supportive naman po yung dad ko sa na gawin ko po itong karera po na to. So yeah, I'm really grateful po na nandito na po ako sa industry. Yeah. Thank you so much po.
And good luck to you.
Thank you so much, tita.
Ayun po, tita. Yung nag-encourage po sa akin, si Mommy. Pero si Mommy po kasi nung unang beses niya po ako in-encourage. More on pilit po yung gusto. Parang ako napipilitan po. Tapos parang hindi ko po siya talaga trip. Tapos nung pandemic po, yung lolo ko po, he passed away po. Yung huli niyang halubilin sa akin na parang sabi niya po sa akin, "Hoy, hindi lahat nabibigyan ng opportunity na meron ka." So bakit hindi mo subukan? So sinubukan ko po ulit and I fell in love with it po. And from that moment on, gusto ko na po siyang gawin and every time I work po, I want to work and work and work po. So yun po yung nag-encourage siya.
Thank you so much and of course, good luck to everyone. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Congratulations, so happy for you.
Thank you, Tita Aster.
How does it feel also? I think if I'm not mistaken, this is the very first series mo sa Viva One.
Yes po, Tita.
Okay. These are all young people. So, paano mo sila ginaid? Paano mo sila, what do you call this, minotivate? Especially na parang ikaw yung tatay-tatayin, syempre, ng project na to.
Opo, we had workshops naman po and ano po, I don't mince words, real talk palagi po sa kanila. And ayun nga kung masasaktan sila sandali. Pero nakikita naman nila after kung sabunin sila, nakita naman po nila na para sa kanila din po kasi yun. Kasi okay na lahat pagkatapos. Pagkatapos silang pagkatapos ng eksena, ayun, tapos na yung eksena, okay, good. Sinasabihan, hindi din naman po ako madamot sa words of encouragement and affirmation sa kanila. Tong generation na po na to, usually, gusto nilang marinig kung pangit bang ginagawa nila at the same time kung mabuti silang ginawa, gusto nilang marinig yun and pinaparinig ko po sa kanila yun. And I'm proud of each of them.
Thank you. And last, my last question, kasi alam ko marami pang magtatanong. Siguro